An exclusive report from Hyderabad, where a major interstate child trafficking racket is suspected to have bought and sold at least 50 children, was busted. 13 babies less than 3 years old were rescued and shifted to government-run homes. Now the families that adopted them illegally are in trauma, and so presumably are the young ones. The scam, though, once again highlighting the tough challenges in legal adoption that allow such commodification of babies to thrive.
A mother unable to come to terms with separation from the baby she did not give birth to but has loved as her own for the last 15 months. These were the heartbreaking scenes at Ratchakunda Police Commissionerate in Greater Hyderabad, where 13 babies, the youngest just 23 days and the others under 3 years, were handed over to the Child Welfare Committee. They had been bought from Delhi and Pune, reportedly from poor parents, brought via Vijayawada and Guntur to this RMP doctor Shobha Rani in Hyderabad, who was selling them for about 5 lakh rupees each.
मेल बेबी వచ్చేసి 6 lakhs అని फीमेल बेबी వచ్చేసి 4 lakhs అని
एंड कपल्स जो है जिनको बच्चों की जरूरत है, जो कि उनको अडॉप्शन का कानूनी कार्रवाई करना नहीं चाहते क्योंकि वो थोड़ी लंबी है और उसमें थोड़ा समय लगता है, तो उसको अवॉइड करके जल्दी बच्चों को अडॉप्ट करने की कोशिश करने के लिए वो लोग पैसे खर्चने के लिए रेडी है। तो एंड यूजर जो है या एंड कपल्स जो प्रोक्योर कर रहे हैं वो लोग 4 से 5 लाख इन बच्चों को लेने के लिए दे रहे थे। तो हर एक लेयर पर जो लोग हैं, जो एक्यूज लोग हैं, वो लोग इसमें प्रॉफिट मेकिंग एक्टिविटी की तरह इसको चला रहे थे।
The authorities are trying to trace out the biological parents of the babies to find out if they were abandoned, sold or were stolen. If the family is found unfit, they will be put up for adoption.
We need to give some time to the police also to trace out the original biological parents. And I also feel the pain the parents are undergoing, the adopted parents. But we do have an act that we need to follow that.
For my sister, I took that baby. We all together went to the hospital and we took the baby. And she doesn't reveal the details of the parents. We took like that. After 15 months, this is the position. Our demand is only we need that kit. If actual parents are not there to that kit, we are looking for that kit.
The families that took the babies illegally by paying lakhs of rupees are unlikely to get any priority in legal adoption.
The average waiting time for a family waiting to adopt a baby is about 3 years. It could even take up to 5 years. The Supreme Court has recently asked the child care institutions to review the case of each child waiting to be adopted and even simplify the procedure so that a child can move out of the institution to the loving care of the family at the earliest. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.